Hello everybody. So, what shall we play today? Dog Pet Simulator F. Whatever. Clock in. What should we play? We could play some Tower of Hell. Let's see if my friend's on. I'm gonna play some cat. More cat videos. I just love playing it. It's just really fun. You are protected from damage. Yay! You are the enemies. You are dead. There you. Poof. Actually, that's supposed to be. Let's play some. Let's play some build a boat for treasure. Let's see what cool creations we can make. Alright, whatever. Alright, so let's do this. Boom, 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 doom, doom. Then we do this. Go that. Do 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 do. Then we add lots of cannons. I mean lots. More on the side. More over here. Then let's add lots of rockets. What we do to this? What? I don't know what to say. Alright, then let's put that. Oh my. Let's see how this turns out. Oh my. Lagging already. Bro, no. No! Over. I was not meant to go that far. Yep, alright. We are dead. Alright, that was the greatest experience of my life. Alright. So wait, let's look at my creations. What was this? Oh yeah, I need to carry on with this build. So I'm pretty sure this was like a mini ship. Yeah, mini ship for one person. Alright, add that. Boom, boom, boom with that, and then do the exact same over here. Hold on. No, get rid of that. Alright, that's perfect now. Add that there. Now we're gonna add the little thingamajiggy. It's gonna go there. This is not that identical. I need to add this there onto that. Then just make that a little bit smaller. And then make this just a little bit smaller. Then make that, and then this bit smaller. That's as small as it can get. Alright, that's fine. Then let's cover this bit up like this. And wait, yep, that's fine. Boom, 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 boom. Why can't I place a block there, eh? Put that down. What? More there. Boom. Try to give it in. Yep, perfect. Add this more there. Alright, now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make the actual cockpit. So add that there. And make this a bit more down. Alright. Then we're gonna boom, 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 boom. Then down here again. So this is gonna be our cockpit. Let's get the seat down. So this is where the seat is gonna be. Wait, yeah, let's make it like this way. I think this way looks cooler. So let's add more of this. There. Boom. Now make it a bit taller. like that. Make this a bit taller. Yep, like that. Then we should, yeah, let's make it like that. Down there, and then we could make it, yeah, let's make it a bit more smaller. Boom, boom. Now, add that there. Oops. There, boom. Now we can put the window. Yeah. Make a window. Wait. This actually looks like a train, which can fly. Wait, yeah. Let's make a train which can fly. Oh, that'll be actually really cool. Alright, then let's add this to make it more detailed. And then this, that. There we go. Then turn this around. So this is gonna be an old train, like an old train. Turn that around there. There. Wait, why is that not? Alright, it's fine. Then what else should we do? We need to make a wheel. We need to make some wheels. Imagine that. Just plain. Boom, boom. Like that. Then let's add another bit. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, should we make one little bit or should we make it two? Yeah, let's make it 2 little bits. Alright, let's add a thing there. Then let's do this. Also this. Yeah, wait. Let's make it only a 1-seat train and have this like that. Yep, just a bit there. Lift this up. Put that there. Boom and boom. Just make a bit there. Now, how would you get in? Again. Do this. What? How did I? Oh, that's weird. Now. How are we gonna do? Yeah, normal door. We're gonna have an old door. So, where are the doors? Speaking of doors, let's play some doors. You can. Where's the door? There. This looks like an old door. Then let's add some more metal. That just looks bad. Wait on. Get rid of that. Add that there. Perfect. Boom. Jump. Jump. Oh, I need to make that even smaller. No, it's gonna be the exact same. But make it like that. Then, boom. Make it a bit smaller. Like that. There we go. Now, what is the purpose of this bit again? Wait, let's make it like the little engine, which has all the coal. Like that. And there's gonna be a little window if anybody wants to see the coal. Let's open this. What the? Hold on, let's see what this can do. Scan a map. Can you move it? Yes. So this is actually pretty good. Whee! Alright, let's bring this back over here. Right there in my storage. Oh, whatever. Look where it's going. Whee! Oof. Alright. Now we need window. Windows up here. Boom. There we go. Wait, one more doing? I need to actually add stuff in it. But I can add stuff like this. So this is where the coal's gonna be. like that, 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 that. Hip not sticking out, that, that. Add it more there, everywhere. Add some more there. Right, there we go. Now, let's, yeah, let's add a secret rocket here. Wait, where's we put it? Well, let's put it underneath here. Then let's cover it up so that no one knows. Yes. Add that up. And there we go. The flying train is complete. Save that onto there. Flying train. Load. I should do that right now. Now I just gotta test it. Let's go. Over. Hot. Hot. Is it because of the doors? Oh. Hot. Maybe let's rethink that. How about let's actually add wheels? Yeah, that's a perfect idea. Alright, whatever. Let's not make it train. Let's just make it train. Just need to get in there. Get rid of that. Wait. Oh, I know why. I could have tried and flying airplane tournament because that was just the opposite way. Oh, no wonder. That's why. Alright, let's add that there now. Alright, let's redo that. I actually need to add this bit. How did I actually forget? Because I was gonna make a whole entire different thing this way, so if I'm have to turn it, so it gives it a bit more of a challenge. But that did not work out. Alright, let's save. Oh, wait, we need to add the flying. Alright, save. There we go. Alright, here we go. Yeah, there we go. It's a flying train. Whee! Alright guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.